Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw something easy, a bowling ball. So let's get into it. So we're going ahead and we're going to start the motion of the circle. And once you get to the end here, you'll hold your pen on the screen and you could see a clips created at the top right here. And with your pen still on the screen, you'll take your other hand and you'll just tap and hold two fingers on the screen until you see a snap. And then you could slowly remove both hands at the same time off the screen. And then you'll see an icon above that says circle. So there you have it, a perfect circle. Alright, so now moving on, we could put in the 3 holes for the bowling ball. So we could start off with the first hole right here. And then we will drop in the next hole to the right of that. And then at the bottom here, we will put in our last hole. And to show some dimension, we will go in on the inside by the holes and we will start drawing these curves right here. And we will do that to all of them. Alright, nice. And lastly, we will just go ahead and shade in the holes. Alright, cool. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for our bowling ball. And like I said, easy. So now we could go ahead and kick it into time lapse to do the final inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as you can see, clean. And wait, we can't bowl like this, something missing. And bam, now we could bowl. But there you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.